Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a quick review of VO by Vercel. VO by Vercel. Now, VO by Vercel is an AI-powered tool designed to help developers and designers quickly generate user interface components and even full application sections using natural language prompts. Now, you might be asking, what is it? Okay, think of it as an AI pair programmer specifically focused on the front end. You describe the UI you want, that user interface you want, e.g. you can say a login form with social media icons, a data table with sorting and filtering, and VO generates the corresponding code primarily in React with Tailwind CSS and a lot of great components. Now, what are the key features? The key features are text to UI generation, image to UI generation, interactive refinement, code output, and prototyping speed. Now, VO actually is a promising tool for accelerating front-end development, particularly for those working with React and Tailwind CSS. It excels at rapidly generating boilerplate UI components and layouts, saving significant time in the initial stages of a project or for prototyping. The ability to refine the output through conversational prompts is a key strength. However, it is still an evolving tool, so users sometimes report needing to heavily refine the generated code for complex scenarios or specific requirements. It's best seen as a powerful assistant for creating a starting point or generating components rather than a tool that will build an entire, highly custom application from scratch without any developer input. In short, VO is a valuable addition to a developer's toolkit for speeding up UI creation and exploration, especially within the Vercel ecosystem, but it requires developer oversight and refinement for production-ready applications. So that's a quick review on VO by Vercel. See you in the next video.